Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome to the London Open by AquaTV. How's everybody doing? Looks like we might be jumping into a trade pretty soon. So essentially, I just want price to come slightly higher to this zone, and then we'll probably enter with our stop loss above the 1.618. German 40, yes, correct. So we'll probably look for something like maybe something like this. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Real life ICT. Well, entry will probably be 275, and then SR would be 379, roughly. Roughly. Yo, Simond, how you doing, bro? Yo, Razit, I'm good in yourself, bro. Good in yourself. Trade entered. I love streams. Welcome, Chris. Welcome, bro. All right, guys, let's run up the likes a little bit. We're on 9. Oh, there we go, 11. And everyone in the Discord, this is the YouTube link where we're streaming the London Open. All right, so price is basically in our zone. Let's just see if we can get slightly higher up. I would love to get this price point here. But let's see. Christo, I trade New York on my Discord server. Dead sick. What's up, bro? Sharing to X. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Hey, bro. All right. Let's get into German 40 at this position over here. So we're in German 40 sells. I ideally want to get slightly higher, but this is okay. So we're in German 40 sells at what price point do we get? 24265. 24265. SL we're looking at 24380. TP1, TP2. Okay, so TP1, TP2. So TP1 would be 24124. Then TP2 would be 23985. And then I would most likely look to move SL to entry at this price point. See. I'm good in yourself, bro. So I'll just send there you go. So I'll send this to the chat so that you guys can see what we actually getting into. All right, cool. How long have you been trading? Just close to 6 years. My name isn't Hamuzi, bro. It's Jaime. ICT. It's Jaime, bro. You said you trade New York session on Discord. I trade in my own Discord server. All good, bro. If you go into my YouTube channel, you should be able to see. I mean, if you trade right now, actually crazy, bro. Just be careful. What's a mistake you made early on that completely changed how you trade today? Probably my second month of trading, I lost like 60, 70% of what I made in my first month in 2 weeks. and that made me essentially apply risk management. So me actually losing that amount in such a short space of time made me realize how important risk management was. Can you give me tips on risk management? Tips on risk management. Well, I'll just say I have a plan. So I have a plan on like, how much you're gonna risk and also factor in like if you win this many trades, what will it look like? Um, yeah. So risk management, the main thing is like you want to make sure it's sustainable but also healthy for your account. The link on my YouTube is expired. I'll get the Discord one. No stress, bro. I was in a few lounge. I'm sure you can imagine what happens with those. Now I'm looking at some. What pair are you speaking about, Chris? What pair are you speaking about? Are you speaking about Bitcoin? My face not looking good today. Don't know. That's crazy. That's very outrageous. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's see. I'm going to take 1% risk on this trade. I'm getting yourself, bro. Getting yourself. Just a reminder that every single stream we do give away accounts. So if you're on the Discord and you want to participate in the accounts, just come to the YouTube. If you're on the YouTube, we'll essentially be giving away a futures account or 2 futures accounts and 4 forex accounts. And when you step on a trade, damn. When last did you sleep, bro? That's a real valid question. When last did you sleep? What's the biggest mental shift you had to make before you started trading? Biggest mental shift. Oof, I'd probably say like my attachment to money. Um, I'd probably say my attachment to money. So how are we choosing? We're gonna be doing it via Instagram and then also YouTube. Can you explain why the sell as 5 minute, 15 minute bias is bullish and 4 minute trend is broken, 5 trend is broken? How you know? So for me with German 40, it's just right now it's overextended. I would like it to at least fill the SGZ prior to continuing. So it's not necessary that it's the whole market's going to shift bearish. It's more so that price needs to fill certain gaps in the market in order for it to continue going up. So it's not a complete shift. If you in Africa, you won't be able to get a futures account. So yeah. Come on. I'm surprised we got into a trade pretty early though. Like really, really early. Normally we wait like 30 minutes. John Wick, how you doing, bro? How you doing? What's your view on gold? Jamie, check my comment. Kaku. I can't see your comment. There are 19 people watching and only 15 likes. Why? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. What are my views on gold? I haven't traded gold in a hot minute, to be honest. We can browse through it quickly. Can't remember. One, two, six. Oh, I saw Head and Shoulders on gold. So even from this point, I would probably sell it till about 3949. So something like this. Like if we can even get it to this point, have it stop loss over here. I'll probably minimum sell it to this point, and then maximum over here. Something like that. Favorite pair to trade, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, also gold, but I haven't traded gold in a minute. All right, let's kick off with a giveaway. So for the first giveaway, we'll do a Instagram one. So let's see. So this post, all right, that I'm sending, I just want you guys to comment AquaTV and then also the country that you're from. All right, so just comment AquaTV in the country that you're from, and then also tag me, and I'll send you, or I'll select people to win the giveaway there. German 40 is running in quite a bit of drawdown. Let's just see how this trade operates. All right, let's check. FX Trader. FX Trader. RBG. And just don't forget to put your country, guys. All right. Sat is. And then one more for the other 10K. So far, 2 accounts have been selected for peeps. Let's see. Yes. FX Trader BG1, the futures account. And Satis won the 10K account, as well as Ranji Traya 5. Those are the winners. I don't think you guys will be able to see my handwriting, to be fair, but these are the winners. All right, I'm gonna grab some water and then we're gonna lock in with this chart work. Bro, where you now based? Location undisclosed, bro. You do gym, brother? No. Next giveaway, ask a question. Okay. I think it's a 25K futures account. We just did one giveaway. The other giveaway we'll do towards the end. So like in 30 minutes, we'll do another giveaway. Did anyone trade New York yesterday? What did you trade? How did it go? How did New York go yesterday? And to gold longs. This giveaway done. We have one more at the end. Gold longs. First wait for the breakout on upside so that I could long or don't work me out then. Damn. Which place do I trade? NASDAQ, Bitcoin, gold, German 40. Drop the code whoever uses it first. Which account giveaway? We gave a futures account and a forex account. So in about like 20 minutes, we'll give away another round of accounts. Jaime is in a trade with us, no fear. Which one? Standard or beginner? What? I took long with German 40. No risk, no Ferrari. That is true. Bye, I want Lamborghini. What's your guys' dream car? So if you, let's just say if money wasn't an option, right? What car would you want? What's your dream car? BMW? Dream car. But what BMW? Like be specific with the model and stuff as well. BMW M5. Okay, that's a sick one. Rolls Royce Ghost. Joker, you got class, bro. BMW, what BMW? Shelby Cobra. Okay. Rolls Royce, which one? And what 911? Porsche 911. But any specific model? M5 V10. Porsche 2020 Carrera S. Okay, that's a nice one. A Supra, Lamborghini Huracan, Lamborghini Aventador, Rocket Trader, Intemperance. I'd rather have a small plane, to be honest. Even a Cessna 167, the bodies on those are 70K alone. Okay, very cool. Are you a pilot, Chris? Are you a pilot? And what's Supra love in anime? What's Supra? Yeah, sorry about that, Kaku. It really be like that sometimes. TN Tech, what's up, bro? What's up? And then, what is your dream country to retire in? When's giveaway? At the end of the stream, so probably in like 20 minutes. So, what's your dream like country to live in? To all my 21 peeps. UAE? Okay. Where are you from now, Ranzit? And why the UAE? Japan? Oh, okay, that I can go with, bro. Japan's crazy. India without tax. That's funny. Spain, very nice. What? Nirmala Sitharaman. What is that? Where are you from, bro? I'm from South Africa. Like I was born in SA. If we earn money, we need to pay 33% tax, total 47%. South Africa is pretty much the same, bro. We have tax brackets, so we also get screwed, to be very honest with you. I think Switzerland or Finland. I now from the Netherlands said it's a trash heap now, sadly. Damn. Oh, the finance minister. Yeah. You guys are quite tapped in with your politics. I'll say that. Germany is going down rapidly. What in terms of like economy? All green communists. Big fan, bro. I'm a big fan of you, bro. It looks like German 40 might actually rip the SL. Let's just go and actually explain why we entered this trade. Again, make it make sense. So you need to understand why you took a loss, why you took a win. Then after that, we can go ahead with the giveaway. So essentially yesterday, right? I think we were also looking for shorts yesterday. Longs if the fair value gap was tapped, but we still have a gap in the market. We still have this fair value gap, which is obviously, needs to get filled at some point. But then two touches on this 15-minute trend. Ideally, was looking for 3 golden zone. We didn't get that tap. So that's essentially price filling the 50% of the previous day. And then prior, to us shorting yesterday, if you watched on stream, you would have seen that the yes 1.618 and the last week high was aligned, which is basically where we saw today. But right now, price is obviously extremely bullish. Price is extremely bullish because price broke last week's high, broke above the 4-hour support resistance, didn't get a retest prior to breaking, and now it's also breaking above the yes 1.618. So it looks like price might actually be climbing higher for sure. Yeah, well, like I'm not happy that we're hitting SL or about to hit SL. But the thing is, like, you have to obviously try keep like a cool head with everything, because if you're just emotional with it, then every single time you're gonna like struggle to hold a trade or enter trade or whatever, just because of fear. So I'm not happy that we obviously hit SL, but it is what it is. So we're still in the trade, but we like 5 points away. So, but let's go ahead with the other giveaway. So with the other giveaway, if you did win in the previous one, or even in a giveaway this month, just don't enter, because you're not going to be able to get your account anyways. So I just want you guys to type in the countries that you guys are from and what your favorite thing about Aqua is. So type in the country that you're from, and what your favorite thing about AquaFunded is. Actually, AquaTV. Just tell us what your favorite thing about AquaTV is. Remember AquaTV, right? So not AquaFunded. What's your favorite thing about the live streams? Temperance, I think you won recently, so they won't allow you to win. Udo, I don't know if you'll be able to win again, but let's give it a try. So Udo, you can get the futures. And then World Mirror. Just tell us where you're from, though, World Mirror. John Wick, you can get a 10K account. So John Wick. And then India Good Learning with Experienced Traders. Rocker Trader won the 10K account as well. All right, guys. A very short stream today, unfortunately, but yeah, we were in and out with German 40. Unfortunately, we hit SL, but tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow, same time, we'll come live and let's try hit that W so that we can be in the green for this week. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget that there is a stream for New York today, so not hosted by me, but by another great trader. So come through. All right, much love, guys. Take care. Bye.